I have one more gift. Hold on. I forgot Reza's gift.
Drink while you're...
Hold on.
Shouhed, he's so sweet. That was a very pimp move. I want this mic to stay forever.
If I've learned anything in the last few years of my life, is that although we love each other, our friendships are kind of fragile. So in order to keep relationships alive and flourishing, you have to bring out the best in each other. Let's build our friendships stronger, knowing that what we did in the past hurt each other, and not let it relive in our future.
Come here, my love.
The guy that you need to be like. That's the guy. That's the guy.
What? Who is that? Oh my God, I love you. That's for us?
Yeah.
Who is this? Oh my God.
I love you.
I love you.
And I was looking at Dozier, and I thought to
God.
myself, if I ever lost my dog, I would be a mess. So this is Woody. It's a purebred Persian flat-faced Persian kitty.
Thank you, Mikey. It's so sweet.
I love this guy. I know.
My cat Buzzy passed. When he died, I just didn't think it was gonna come so fast. He was the most special thing I ever had. Buzz Lightyear had a sidekick named Woody, and my cat's name was Buzzy, so it's really sweet. Chulasag! I love you, Chulasag! Mike is an amazing guy. He doesn't always get to the water on his own. Sometimes we have to lead him there. But the beauty about Mike is, he gets it. I love you! I was thinking the exact same name. To subscribe, click here, and to watch more, click here.